Now, one thing I want to point out, you'll notice that there's a gasket right here, the silver gasket.
All right, y'all, so here's a quick example. So this is actually the exhaust out of my M2, and I can use this as a close visual example so you can see a little bit better of what we're talking about. So when you measure off the weld, you get that back part of the weld. Now this will be the driver's side when we're underneath. So you measure off that weld, and we're gonna be 3 centimeters off that weld. So just come and mark a nice line. And we talked about using that hose clamp, right? So you put a hose clamp around here and you can draw a nice clean line. When you're over here on this side and you measure, we've got to get past the hanger. So we're actually looking at 9 centimeters. We're here. So right off the edge of the weld, right here at 9 centimeters, and that'll put us in the middle right here. So our clamp will be in a nice even place when the clamp is on, okay? So mark at 9 centimeters, go ahead and put the hose clamp around it and then mark evenly, and then you can cut. So jump underneath the car and we're gonna cut next.
Okay, so both cuts are done. We'll show you on both sides. And like I said, it's best to cut in place because then the pipes will hold themselves and it makes it easier to get a nice clean cut. Now at the top here on the driver's side, you just have 2 13mm nuts. You'll want to back those nuts off and then you can just feed this down and out. You can feed this on this side. On this side, you also have a 13mm nut here on this brace, and then the 2 at the top. So go ahead and take all those off, take this off, and then you can feed your secondary cats out, and then we're gonna be feeding the new pipes in. All right, so here, looking at the driver's side, you can see it's off really simply. Now, one thing I wanna point out, you'll notice that there's a gasket right here, the silver gasket. This is a heat-resistant gasket that should be on both sides. On the passenger side, it actually slid off with the pipe that I took off. So make sure to check for it. So if you don't see this here on either side, it's stuck in the flange of the pipe you just took off. So just be very careful when you take them out. Because of the material, I almost always wear gloves when I touch these. So just be really careful with that. So this is really simple at this point. So now just take the new pipe, slide it onto the bolts. As you can see down here, I've already taken the clamp, but I've just hung it over the lower pipe so we can fit this all nicely up into place. Now, you will have a little bit of give, as you can see here in your exhaust line. And we'll talk about this when we tighten it down. But go ahead and get the 2 new pipes hung on both sides.